In 2009, the inventor of the Coca-Cola Freestyle, Dean Kamen, reinvented the beverage fountain experience by offering an unparalleled array of beverage choices, more than 200 brand options, including 100 varieties that can't be found anywhere else, on a fun, interactive platform. In a surprising turn of events, just 10 years after the introduction of Coca-Cola Freestyle, in December 2019, the world would experience an unprecedented coronavirus pandemic, shedding uncertainty on the invention's future.
In this video, we'll describe how, using a well-architected AWS solution, Coca-Cola prevented the demise of the Coca-Cola Freestyle at the hands of consumer-driven fear during a worldwide pandemic.
50% of all chronic human disease would go away. You would empty 50% of the hospital beds in the world if you just gave people clean water.
Ironically, the premise of the Coca-Cola Freestyle was a water purifier named Slingshot that inventor Dean Kamen designed to eradicate the 3.4 million people, primarily children, that are killed yearly by water-borne disease. 2 billion people across the world use contaminated water. Approximately 844 million people lack a potable water source, including 159 million people who use surface water for their daily needs. The World Health Organization estimates that half the globe will be water-stressed by 2025. To mass distribute his literal life-saving invention, Kamen turned to Coca-Cola for assistance. Coca-Cola's response to Kamen's request was a counter-proposal.
If you can build us a better soda fountain, we'll work with you to devise a strategy to distribute Slingshot across the globe.
And that's how the Freestyle Coca-Cola soda fountain was born.
Fast forward to 2020, and you can find the Coca-Cola Freestyle machine in your favorite restaurant, movie theater, or office break room worldwide. But in the days following the coronavirus breakout, few wanted to touch the device, for fear of contracting the virus. For some, the sight of fingerprints can significantly detract from the appeal of enjoying a nice cold soft drink. So, how do you convert an apparatus designed for touch to a touchless machine without disrupting the physical device?
Thanks to a few innovative software engineers at Coca-Cola, working from the comfort of their homes in the middle of a pandemic, they figured out an ingenious way to add a software-driven touchless experience to the Coca-Cola Freestyle machine, using Amazon Web Services.
Let's see how it works. First, the guest places their glass under the dispenser and scans the QR code using their smartphone camera. Next, they tap the pop-up banner, opening a new browser window where they will see all 32 beverage brands at their fingertips. Then, they'll select their favorite brand, like Coca-Cola, and a flavor, like Cherry Coke. As they press and hold the pour button, their drink is filled within seconds.
The architecture solution to this problem consists of 6 Amazon Web Services. The Amazon Web Application Firewall protects web applications and application programming interfaces against common web exploits that may affect availability, compromise security, or consume excessive resources. The CloudFront service securely delivers the user interface to Coca-Cola Freestyle users globally, with low latency and high transfer speeds. It ensures a fast content delivery experience that allows the interface to pop up within 800 milliseconds, connects to the dispenser, and responds to pour requests in another 100 or 200 milliseconds.
The API Gateway is a fully managed service that allows developers to create, maintain, and secure APIs at any scale. The WebSockets API and Amazon API Gateway provides a serverless, bidirectional, real-time connection between the Freestyle machines and users' phones, with a latency of milliseconds rather than seconds.
To deliver a nearly instantaneous user experience, the Freestyle team built the backend on Amazon Lambda, a serverless, event-driven compute service that runs code without provisioning or managing servers. To provide data analytics, I envisioned the Freestyle team using Amazon DynamoDB, a fully managed database service that provides fast and predictable performance with seamless scalability.
Please, let us know what you think of this solution. Would you use the same services to implement the Coca-Cola Freestyle contactless experience? What would you change? Comment below. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next episode of
Wow, how'd you code that?